What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're going to spend a little bit of time with the Power Wagon and try to get her sounding a little bit better than she sounds right now. So real quick, why don't we do a cold start so you can hear this phenomenal exhaust. Alright. It sounds okay. Nothing particularly fancy, but it's a reasonably quiet exhaust. I'm sitting right in front of it, and you can still hear me talking. The Power Wagon is filthy, guys. She's really dirty. Well, the inside's not so bad, I suppose. It's all right. I got a lot of parts back here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a muffler shop in the city. This is all Holley stuff right here. Thank you to Holley for sending us an entire EFI conversion kit for the Chevelle. But I think we're going to take this thing to the city, see if we can't make that exhaust sound just a little bit better. So I want you to remember what it sounded like before. Now let's see what she sounds like after. All right, now you tell me which sounds better. You don't have to, I already know. This sounds nice. Oh yeah. Should we give her a little bit of gas? See what she sounds like when I rev her up a little bit? All right, let's do it. I can't for sure say how good that came out on the microphone, but hopefully it came out sounding all right. So what did we do? Because if you look at it, everything still looks stock, right? Yeah, you got a tailpipe right there. Looks like you got a muffler back there, right? But the difference is up here. You see right there? You see that pipe? Yep, that's the difference. That is a massive pipe. It goes all the way down and all the way up. Yeah, so I ended up going to a different exhaust shop today. I had to find one because it's so hard to find any exhaust people out here anymore. I ended up going to Fantasy Muffler on 23rd Street. And they hooked it up for $150, which is well worth it. Basically, just chop off the muffler. That is your resonator. The muffler is that big piece that sits back there. $200 is what I paid them. I gave them a $50 tip, so $200, guys. And that beats going out and spending $1,200, $1,300 on a catback system to get the same exact sound. Just cut off the muffler. $200, one and done, man. She sounds great, guys. She sounds really good. Up here, still very tame, very quiet. Now, I do have some more stuff coming in this video. We're going to add that tonneau cover in the bed liner, but I think what I need to do right now, I need to drop this trailer, and I guess we should take it on a little drive and see how it sounds inside the truck with the windows up and the windows down, because it sounds phenomenal, guys. It really does. This is the best mod I think you could make to one of these trucks. All right, so here we are, four-wheel parts down here in Moore, Oklahoma. This is where we're going to get the tonneau cover and the bed liner installed. I'm gonna try to get a quote real quick while I'm here for an electric running board, hopefully one that can drop down several inches. I don't mind jumping into the truck, it doesn't bother me, but a lot of people that have ridden in this are not comfortable. It's not so easy for some people to have to climb all the way up into this big old truck, man. So I want to see what I can do about getting some running boards. I don't need the rock sliders. I really don't. I mean, I do plan on taking it to Moab this year and having a little bit of fun with it, but I'm not going to do any extreme rock crawling where I should have to be concerned with scraping the rockers against a bunch of boulders. So I think for me it would make a little more sense to have some power running boards in place. Let's see what this thing looks like, guys, when they're done with it. She'll have a new bed liner, a new locking tonneau cover, this is going to be nice. I can actually start putting stuff back here because, as you can see, it's soaking wet. And it's all beat up and scratched up because it's been used as a work truck. So I think this thing is going to look a lot better here just well, for you guys, like this. For me, it's going to be about 3 hours. All right, well, it looks the same from the front, but on the back, she's a little bit different. We went with the backflip, which I have used many, many, many times before, and I love it. I love the backflip. Unfortunately, things have gotten a lot more expensive in the aftermarket truck parts world. I'm a little shocked at how much this all came out to. This is a lot more than I've ever paid before, and this is the 3rd time that I have done this. So I've got experience here. This backflip, which is the MX4, this and the bed rug liner, and having it all installed, you want to know what it came out to? You want to guess? Go ahead, drop your comment below. Guess how much this was. You guess? Okay, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to show you real quick. This works. Oh no. No. This doesn't work. The backflip does not open. There we go. She's new. We'll just give her time to break in, right? We'll give her time to break in. She's a little tight because she's new. You got to pull down. There's a handle under here. Flip it up, and then I think you got to pull the handle down one more time. Flip it up once more. There you go. You got these shock absorbers over here. All right, and you loosen this up. Then up it goes. You push it down. And you tighten this little turn handle. You got one on the other side too, and that's how you go down the road. If you wanted to use your bed, you can leave that open like that. You've got full access to your bed. Bed rug. All right, you ready to know how much this costs? $2,000 with installation. I installed one of these myself. It's totally doable. It is super user friendly. You don't have to have somebody install it for you. But with all the stuff I've got going on, preparing for Power Tour and everything, honestly, I just didn't have the time to do this. This would have sat in my shop for probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and eventually maybe I would have gotten around to it. So I decided to just go ahead and let them do it. It didn't cost all that much. I think it was like $360, almost 400 bucks. It's about $360 to have it installed. It is a little tight. You really gotta, I'd rather it be too tight than too loose. You know what I mean? So there it is. There it is. The bed is now weather sealed. It's protected. I can put stuff back there. My tailgate locks. And while I was here, I went ahead and I ordered something that is currently on unobtainium. The running boards. The running boards for this, oh my goodness, electronic drop-down running boards with lights. Those things were over $2,000. I think it was with installation $2,400 for some amp running boards. Got next week, got an appointment to bring it back 1 week from today, and they're going to install that for me. They said it's going to take about 5 hours to do because of the wiring and everything. I'm assuming they're going to have to remove these rock sliders. I don't see how you'd be able to put running boards on there with the rock sliders on there, so those will have to be thrown in the bed. I can sell them, I guess. How much are these worth? I have no idea. But I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this truck, go run a few errands, and make sure we don't have any issues with this flopping around or anything. I don't think we will. It seems very solid and steady. These guys do good work over here. I've used them many times before, and they're good folks over here at 4 Wheel Parts. This is in Moore, Oklahoma, not sponsored. They didn't give me a discount or anything. Paid for all with my own money as usual. Oh boy, those running boards will be nice. Currently, you got to grab hold of the old crap handle. You just got to kind of jump into the truck there. We got a tire going flat. The passenger rear tire ran over a nail, and I tried to plug it, and it didn't work. So I can't wait to see how much one of those tires are. We've currently got 13,217 miles. I think we put about 1,000 miles on this truck already. I use it all the time, and it's been great. I guess we're going to get out of here, guys. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got to go down to AR headquarters. As you can see, I got a bunch of crap in the back seat there, including an entire transmission for the Chevelle. So I got a lot to do. I'm going to bounce out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of some little upgrades that we did to the truck today. More to come. Stay tuned. I'll definitely show you guys the new power folding side steps, running boards, when we get those installed in the near future. I'm going to just continue doing videos on the truck because I love the truck and not a lot of people seem to be interested in it. I understand that. But there are thousands of people that watch the videos on the truck. So there are people that are interested, and for those of you that are, here you go. Here's a video, and I'm going to continue doing more. For those of you that aren't, I would ask that you please don't complain about... Please don't complain about the video. If you don't want to watch the truck videos, just be aware that if you see a picture of the truck on the thumbnail, you probably would just want to not click on the video and just ignore it. Just pretend like the video didn't even get uploaded and go past. I am going to continue recording things that I want to record because there are thousands of views on those videos. Even though they may not be top performers, there are people out there that are interested, that want to see what's going on, and I'm doing that for them. For the ones of you that are just not interested, I just ask, please just scroll on. Just scroll on. Don't even click on the video. You don't need to complain and tell me how much you hate the video. But if you enjoyed the video, if you liked it, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button and let me know. I appreciate you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.